BBI report will remain BBI report unless and until it is implemented. The only way to implement BBI report is to do the following. Two issues. Number one, subject it to people's engagement. Kenyans must speak and talk about it and suggest corrections, improvements, and amendments to the report without distorting the architecture of the report. But finally, the same people of Kenya who spoke across the 47 counties must be given an opportunity to endorse the final document. That is when it will be a people's document. You cannot subject it to parliamentary approval. Let us not cheat Kenyans that we can make these reforms pass through parliament. There is no way you can have the reforms go through parliament. That parliament is divided. We have Kieleweke and Tangatanga in Jubilee, and we have ODM rebels like Aisha Juma. How do you expect that parliament to pass a legislation as important as constitutional amendment?